Hello, friends! Today I show you how to draw a cool pair of sunglasses. So, let's get started! Glittyart English! First, I start by drawing the frame of the sunglasses. This part goes around the lenses and gives the glasses their shape. Then, I draw the temples, the parts that go over the ears. I make them curvy and stylish. After that, I draw the lenses inside the frame. They look nice and round. Now for a fun touch, I split the lenses with lines to make them look more interesting. Time to color. I color the frame with glitter gold. It looks shiny and bright. Next, I color the outside of the lenses with glitter blue. It gives a cool look. Then, I color the inner part of the lenses using glitter gray. And finally, I add a thin glitter science strip to finish the lens design. And that's it! Our sparkling sunglasses look amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!